What's up, guys? Welcome to episode 6 in Tech Out Your RV, the series. And this episode, we're going to dedicate this to GPS. Now, this isn't navigational GPS, it's tracking GPS, because what you want to be able to do is track your vehicle. Some people like just to track their travels, and this could do that. You'll definitely be able to, with some ingenuity, excuse me, be able to track your trails, where you've traveled from. But for the most part, this is for peace of mind if you ever get your RV stolen, especially if you got a tow trailer. Those are the easiest ones to steal versus the ones that actually, have a motor and you drive, right? But either way, you could use it for that. You could use this for many different things. You could put this in vehicles and track people. Hint, hint, your kids. Just saying, especially teenagers. Yeah, and you've got teenagers in the room while you're watching this. Turn this down or go to another room, because you could use this. The old phone way of find my friends or find me or whatever. They're onto that. This, they wouldn't know. You could magnetly put this little device on their car underneath it somewhere, and they wouldn't know it's there. And you could track them. So, a lot of different use cases for this, and of course we're going to put this on our Airstream Basecamp that we're teching out. No problem with magnetic. It's going to stick somewhere on this thing, so let's take a look at it. So this is Tracki. Now, I looked at a lot of different GPS tracking solutions out there, and I felt this was probably the best one that I could find. And I did a lot of research to try to come and bring you the best one. Okay, so one, this is the most reliable solution that I've seen. Two, it's probably the most affordable solution that I've seen. Now, it does have a monthly pay service, obviously, because it's basically got a SIM card in this device, and it's always communicating. So you got to pay for a little bit of a cellular service, I would say, because you got to activate the SIM card, and it's through them. It's highly affordable, so it's not like it's going to break the bank. If you got a $9.99 Spotify premium account or something like that, it's very similar. You might go more up towards Netflix. Who knows, 15 or something. Just depends on the plan and your if you want to pay for a year, if you want to pay for 6 months, you want to go month to month, whatever. All right, so let's look at the Tracki device here. Download the free Tracki app. Yeah, okay, it is free. The app is free. You don't have to pay to download the app, but after that, you're going to have to pay. Just giving you, it's kind of a misleading, but hey. Does work for Google Play, does work on the iOS App Store, and you can actually go to the web as well and track it via the website. So, very, very good stuff. Not a lot of other information on the box, so let's go ahead and open it. Now, actually, I've opened it. It doesn't look like that when you open it, really. I put it back together mainly for this video, and then you also get instructions and stuff like that. So, let's look at the actual device itself. So this is the little Tracki device, and it's got a little SOS on it too, that you can send emergency through the service, and basically say, look, I got an SOS. So it's got a lot of options to it, which is kind of cool. Power button up here. Bring focus, 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 focus. Yeah, okay. So we've got that. And we have a, what is that, a Type C? I can't tell. Let me look. I think I've charged it. It's Type C. No, micro USB. Micro USB. So it's micro USB charged. This holds a charge for a long time, though. So you're not going to have to worry about recharging it too often. You do have a little device here, a little tool, tiny little screwdriver and screws. If you need to access things for replacing batteries and stuff like that. So otherwise, this is what it comes with out of the box. So you're pretty much, you've got some different options, obviously. So this would be highly recommended. This is kind of like a little weatherproofing. You can put it in this, and You can see it goes like that because there's the buttons and stuff. So you can put this in the weatherproofing, especially, you know, in the winter or something, and you got like salt and slush and crap on the roads. It's just another layer of protection. So we'll just slide it in its protective sleeve. You know, let's see. It's like a condom for GPS tracking devices. There we go. She's wrapped and ready to go. So there it is, the Tracki. Now, again, right now, out of the gate, magnetic. We have some options. There's some 3M double stick. I take it this is probably auto, so it's usually weather resistant. There's a normal just backing here, and then there's a clip that you can remove the original backing and put like a clip, however you want to put it on here. And then there's like a little lanyard. Now, I don't know. I guess if you want to like put this on like a pet maybe, or a kid, you know, you could wrap it around their neck or their arm or leg or whatever. You know, it's almost like one of those devices when you're under house arrest, right? And it's like, you left the house while I was at work. You could do that, right? Yeah, I think so. So anyway, you're going to put this somewhere on your RV. We're going to say RV because that's what this is all about, right? And let's look at the app. So I've got the app right here. It's called Tracki. It's down here in the bottom right corner. This thing would ever focus. So we're just going to launch it. And there's the Tracki. And it says world leading GPS tracker. Now, I'm not going to show you exactly what's on here because it has my actual location. So I'm going to show you this at a very, very high range of where I'm at. Oh, yeah, that's it. So, you know, it's going to track your device. And you can have multiple trackers on here. So you can add a tracker, account and security, find nearby tracker, help and contact, how to use videos, feedback, report a bug, log out. So you've got all different options. It gives you your battery, how fast you're going, and it says we're not moving, we're going 0 miles per hour. Obviously, we're right here. So, you know, a lot of cool stuff that you can do here. You can say that it's map types. So you've got different map types you can drill down to, from white map, from hybrids to satellites, to dark map, to traffic, to terrain. So you've got all of that. You can pinpoint your actual location, say I'm here. Alerts, let's look at the alerts. Show all, event types. So here's your different alerts you can do. Show all, so we start moving, GEO Fence, speed alert, SOS, history points, stop moving, low battery, left button pressed, right button pressed. So you can go in here and you can basically set all the alerts up that you want. That's pretty cool. And you can share. So I'm going to make sure here. Oh, store. That's what that is. That's store. I thought it said share. Trying to see this behind the camera. Account security, find nearby tracker, help, how to use videos. You know, so that's the biggest piece of it is, you know, you can basically, somebody steals your RV, you're going to be able to track it and call the cops, locate it. That's your home, right? Some people will actually live in their RV, and if their home is stolen, all their belongings are stolen. So have peace of mind. You can get cheap insurance, but you know that's not going to get your stuff back. This will. This with a cheap insurance plan. This is better than your cheap insurance plan. Go with the Tracki, and again, it's a monthly service. You can pay it for, you know, upfront for a year or whatever. And somebody steals your RV, you're going to know exactly where it is, because this bad boy, they won't know it's there. And you're going to be able to log into your app. You can say where they're at, how fast they're going, where they're parked, and boom, you can locate it and show the cops and go get your RV back, your home, your stuff, your belongings, all that good stuff. So This is probably the quickest episode in the whole series right here, but I did want to show you the best GPS tracking device that we came across. So we're going to go with the Tracki. You can get multiples of these, obviously. Get one for your tow rig, one for your motorcycle, whatever you drag along with you that you want some protection on. And all in one app. You can monitor it, and you're good to go. So anyways, check the show notes. I'll have a link where you can pick up the Tracki device, a link to their website too, where you can see about their services, their monthly rates, all that kind of stuff, what they offer. Highly recommend them. I have not been disappointed with it yet, and I have tested it a little bit, obviously. I had to activate it, right? So I'm not lying. If you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the show, and as always, thanks for watching, and have a good week.